Hey guys, what's going on? And today I have a different video for you guys. Today we're in my grandpa's garage, and just wanted to show you some behind the scenes of us pulling our my pulling videos. You've seen those a while ago from last year. Still trying to get the ones over from my GoPro over here to YouTube. So yeah. So, I just wanted to show you kind of what goes into it. I mean, right now, it's still kind of pulled apart, and as you can tell, you sound different, and I'm not feeling the best right now. I'm really stuffy, so just to give you a general idea of what goes into it, usually Friday nights before we have a pull, we'll go ahead and, load up the tractors, and then we're off to the pull that morning. Right now, I don't have a carb in it, because it needs to get cleaned, and everything. There's tools and stuff in there. I get the hood's over here, with the drill. We just put some brand spanking new tires on this thing. And I have to tell you, with these new tires, this thing looks mean. So, yeah, that's with the new tires on it. We had to, right here, there's only one plate here. And I'm not gonna give away any of our secrets, but there's still typing. 1, 2, 3, 4 plates there. Weight plates. We got the wheel weights, and that's too far on, but see how we have 2 nuts here holding the wheel weight on? That is because before, if you didn't have that nut, that much of a threaded rod, you could, rub up against the tire, scratch your leg. Same thing with this side. And what we had to do is replace a tire on end. So, this is a lot better. Much play. Probably. Quite a bit of play in it, so yeah. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.